In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz to your Udemy course. The addition of quizzes in your course can significantly enhance the learning experience for your students, reinforcing the material covered and helping to assess their understanding. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to seamlessly incorporate this engaging tool into your Udemy curriculum. First, start by logging into your Udemy instructor account. Once you're signed in, locate the course you wish to modify by going to the curriculum page. To do this, find the course you want to edit from your dashboard and click on Manage Course, followed by Curriculum or a similarly labeled option. This will take you to the heart of your course setup where all the magic happens. Next, decide exactly where you want the quiz to appear. Scroll through your course layout to find the specific section or lecture you believe would benefit most from a quiz. When you hover over the gray or margin area of this section, you'll notice a plus button appearing at the side. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that pops up, select Quiz from the available options to initiate the process of creating a new quiz. Give your quiz a meaningful name that's easy to identify, and if you wish, add a description that explains its purpose or content to your students. Once you're satisfied with the name and description, press Add Quiz to create it. With your quiz now added to the curriculum, click into it and navigate to the Questions tab or link to start populating it with questions. For this, you'll want to select the multiple choice question type, which is versatile and easy to manage. Write out your question text clearly, ensuring it's straightforward and comprehensible. If you think an image would help clarify the question, feel free to upload one. Now, add the possible answers or choices for your question. You can provide up to 15 different answer options, which allows for considerable flexibility depending on the complexity of the question. Make sure you correctly mark the right answer by selecting the accompanying bubble. It's beneficial to provide an explanation as to why a particular answer is correct or incorrect. This extra step can really aid your students' learning by reinforcing the concepts at hand. Once you're done, don't forget to click Save. If you have more questions to add, use the New Question button and simply repeat the steps outlined for each one. Finally, after setting up all your quiz questions, take a moment to review them, ensuring everything is as you envisioned. Once satisfied, hit the Publish or Publish Quiz button to make the quiz active for your students. Remember, you can preview the quiz to see how it appears from a student's perspective. Keep in mind that while previewing might allow you to see the quiz layout, you may not be able to interact fully, such as submitting answers. And that's it. Your quiz is live, ready to enrich the learning journey of your students.